Raw Thrills introduces its most stunning addition to the highest earning motorcycle racing franchise ever, Superbikes 3. Redesigned from the ground up, Superbikes 3 features all new cabinetry with a bolder, more dynamic look. Hundreds of enticing RGB LEDs reflected on genuine chrome steel, plus exclusive licensed bikes from Ducati, Yamaha, and more. Superbikes 3 drives earnings with its new in-game upgrade feature. At the start of each race, all players will be given the chance to purchase a fully upgraded bike and character. Hold on tight, as up to 8 players compete simultaneously through each adrenaline-infused adventure. Designed to increase engagement and revenue, at the end of every race, players are prompted to continue plays on the next track. Superbikes 3 is available in 4 vibrant glowing cabinet colors with cutting-edge graphics, exhilarating sound, and synchronized cabinet lighting that follows all the in-game action, taking players for the ride of their lives. By scanning the QR code displayed at the conclusion of every game, players access online leaderboards and can post their score to Facebook and Twitter. Superbikes 3 also has redemption support for locations that use e-tickets, with awarded points or a fixed ticket award selectable by the operator. 8 killer tracks, 10 unique riders, and 8 tricked out bikes. Actual location tests reveal dominating earnings power with unmatched Raw Thrills reliability. Don't get left behind. Supercharge your locations with the clear winner, Superbikes 3. Available now. Get on.